Good morning, children. Today in the 4th standard I am taking just continuation of that lesson, food and health. I had taught you till this 4 vitamins A, B, C, D. I told you all to write this in your classwork note with the exact chart, the food that we get these vitamins in and their uses. I had told you all to write this. Till now no one has sent me this homework until date. Okay, please do this because this is very important. It's coming for your FA3 exam. Now going forward, we will see the vitamins A, B, C, D and the deficiency, because due to the deficiency of these vitamins, what are the diseases caused. So the diseases that are caused due to their deficiency. So that is when vitamin A is less in the body, children, you get night blindness. Night blindness is such a sickness that you cannot see anything in dim light. In the night, the person who is having a deficiency of vitamin A will not be able to see anything in the night. Then vitamin B, when there is a shortage of vitamin B in your body, the disease caused by it is called beriberi. Beriberi means water gets accumulated in your legs. Water gets accumulated in your legs and you have muscle pain and heart problems. So when you have a lesser quantity of vitamin B in your body, you have this kind of a disease called as beriberi. Then when you have vitamin C, the disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C is scurvy. Scurvy means, children, your gums, when they start bleeding, your gums and your teeth, this pink color thing inside, they start bleeding. That's a disease of the teeth. So scurvy is a disease of the teeth. When there is a deficiency of vitamin D, the disease caused is rickets. Rickets means, children, the bones, you have a disorder of the bones and the bones will become crooked. So that's called rickets. So this, children, this is also in your, this deficiency is also in your textbook. You have to learn the vitamin, which vitamin combines with the deficiency of the, what disease is caused by the deficiency of that particular vitamin. Then coming to, children, what is a balanced diet? As already told you, I will be talking to you on a balanced diet. The food which provides all the nutrients to our body. I told there are a lot of nutrients that the food has. So you have to eat different kind of food to get those nutrients for your body. Why? You have to stay strong, you have to stay healthy, you have to grow. For these 3 things you need food to eat. So when the food provides you with all these nutrients to the body in a required proportion, it is called a balanced diet. Means it should not be too much, it should not be too less. In the required proportion, it is called as a balanced diet. I'll read out this answer once again, children. You all have to write it out in your classwork note. What is a balanced diet? The food which provides all the nutrients to our body in a required proportion is called a balanced diet. So this, children, you have to write it in your classwork note. That is the actual thing that talks about balanced diet. Now when we come to we know all the animals eat different kind of food. Like human beings, obviously they eat meat, they eat vegetables, they eat leafy vegetables, they eat greens, they eat fruits. You got a variety of food for human beings to eat. But animals, what do they eat? Now if I tell you, children, what does a tiger eat? Definitely you'll say tiger kills other animals and they eat the flesh of that animal. Fine. What does a crane eat? A crane eats fish from the river or from a pond. The crane, which is a bird, will eat fish. What will a deer eat, children? A deer will eat grass or leaves. Elephant, again it eats grass. So on page number 70, children, there are some name of some animals and the food that they eat. This is your homework. You have to do it in the text itself and write and keep it there. So now there's another picture over here where they're showing a tiger eating a deer. Eagle catching a rat in his claws, a crane catching a fish, an elephant is eating grass, and a butterfly is drinking the nectar from the flower. So in this Tigers tear the flesh with the help of, what do the tigers? They have strong jaws, teeth. So the tigers tear the flesh off with the help of its teeth. Kite has clawed legs to hold his food. You have seen the eagles, they've got sharp nails. They hold their food with their sharp claws. Butterfly has proboscis to suck honey off the flower. So the butterfly has got a kind of a siphon in his mouth, which it sucks the honey from the flower. Crane has a beak to hold his food. It holds the food, fish. Elephant eats grass with the help of his trunk. So these are the type, the animals that use their organs, their particularly organs to eat food. And we need to see, when you see in your mother keep your kitchen very neat and clean. If your kitchen is not clean, there will be flies, there will be cockroaches, there will be various lizards all coming to taste the food that is kept in the kitchen. So your mother has to keep your kitchen very neat and clean. What happens, children, if these things come and eat, like cockroaches come and like they eat your food, or they sit on your food which you are supposed to eat, or the lizards come, or you can say flies come. You all know it's not a healthy thing for cockroaches and all that to eat your food, correct? If these come, what the food gets contaminated, the food gets spoiled, and the food is not good for you to consume. So you will have to definitely throw the food you don't need to waste food, correct? So the best option is to keep your food safe, cover your food and keep it under cover, so that like the other germs or the flies or the cockroaches don't come and contaminate it. Children, on page number 74, you all have some fill up the blanks, and you have to do that as homework. Homework is page number 74. You have the fill in the blanks. Please solve it from the book and do that and send a picture to Miss. Okay, if it's possible, you can even write the reasons of the following statements, or I'll click and I'll send you the picture of it. Along with this video, I'll click and send the picture of it. So do this much, children. Write this question. This is a very important question. Write it in your classwork note and study it. Take a picture and send it back to Rohana ma'am. I'll check and get back to you. Thank you.